Hey everyone, what is up? It is Christy Casanova back with my second video of 2018. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a review of the long and anticipated Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been so excited for this palette, mainly because it is my main aesthetic with all the purples and basically all those colors, the purples, the pinks, and the shimmery colors in here. So I actually have a good feeling about this. I've been seeing so many good reviews about this palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an application with this, and it's brand new, hasn't been opened, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and open it up. And here you go, here are all the colors. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this on. So let's go. Right, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go ahead and use a, let's see, one of the base colors. Well, actually it's gonna be base is what I'm gonna go ahead and use. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on all over my eyelid. Alright, and so for the second color, I'm going to go ahead and apply underneath the brow bone, and then it's going to be a bit of a dark color, but not too dark. The second color that I want to put on, though, below the second color beneath the brow bone is going to be darker than that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and get to use the Dazzling color, and it's this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit dramatic today. Oh wow. Okay. So yeah, the color definitely picks up, and so far that's amazing, especially if it picks up on the brush and then application is smooth. Okay, so now that our transition color is on our eyelid, we're going to go ahead and move on to the second color. That's going to be like right here, like on the crease, right here, just slightly on the crease right here. And what I'm going to go ahead and use below that is going to be a, let's see, volatile. It's going to be this brown color right here. It's gonna go like this. One thing for sure though that I need to do is get better eye brushes. Unfortunately, the brush that I'm using right now for the crease is actually from Aveda, and like, no hate to Aveda or anything, like I love their face creams, their stuff, and I also like going to the spa, but makeup brushes, not feeling them so far because there's a lot of residue and the brushes don't hold the pigments that well, in my opinion. And hey, fun fact about myself is that I actually went to Aveda for school to study to be an esthetician, and I'm certified in that. So that's what I've been doing for 2014. Okay, next what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on part of the eyelid. I kind of actually want to do like a transition color on the lid, not on top, but basically just right here. So like one color is going to be right here, and it's going to transition into the into a darker color. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, there's one eyelid down. Now onto the other one. Alright, so for the shade that we're going to go ahead and use right now, it's going to be the Celestial shade, and this is the shade that I've been keeping my eye on since the palette has come out, and definitely one of my favorite shades of purple for sure. So let's go ahead and try that. Alright, then it's going to go right here. Ooh, okay. It's gonna be more towards like the outer corner of the eyelid as well. Okay. Well, so far so good. Now we're gonna go ahead and use it on the other eyelid. Alright, so the next color that we're gonna go ahead and use is the Soul color, the Soul shade right here, and it's actually a very pretty shimmery shade, so we're gonna go ahead and see how that looks like on the eyelid. I already applied some, as you can see, because I wanted to test it out first and hope that I didn't, like, you know, screw up before I recorded it, but so far the transition looks really good. And you only just need to just dab it once on the palette because it actually picks up so much color on the brush. So be careful how much you use, or I guess not be too careful, especially if you want to go all dramatic. Alright, so now that Soul and Celestial have been applied to my eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and probably use those two same colors, actually like on the beneath the lash line, and it's going to be nice to have like right here, it's going to be one color and the other half is going to be right there. But first though, before I do that, what I like to do is actually like to use the NYX white eyeliner, and just to make the eyes, you know, have a little bit of a pop and make them look bigger too, so I don't look tired. I don't know if you can tell, but I just took a 1-hour nap in the afternoon. So anyways, here we go. So the eyeliner that we're using today is actually the NYX liquid liner that is matte and black. I love this eyeliner because, as I said in my previous video, if you watched it, it's actually impossible to mess up on this eyeliner. It's actually very precise and it actually dries up fast, and it's not like one of those eyeliners where, you know, you're just like dragging it, unless in my case right now I'm running out of this eyeliner, so I have to drag it just a little bit, unfortunately. So anyways, here we go. Okay, so the application is actually going smoother than expected. That's good. Alright, so next what we're going to go ahead and do is the lashes. And mascara, I am actually using the Maybelline Falsies mascara right now, and let's go ahead and take this for a spin. Last but not least is the lipstick, and the lipstick that I'm using is the NYX Lingerie lipstick, and it is actually in the shade Exotic. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a lip liner of theirs as well to go ahead and outline my lips, and this is actually my favorite part when it comes to the end of these tutorials, is applying the lipstick. Alright, so there you have it. This is actually the makeup tutorial for Norvina. So I'm going to go ahead and probably show off the swatches just to show you how pigmented they are. Alright, so yeah, I'm actually loving all of these colors. I definitely see myself using all of these. If anything, the Norvina palette is definitely my new favorite palette, and from Anastasia, it definitely is #1 as my favorites for sure. Next to the Modern Renaissance palette, which I absolutely love to use. And among all of the other palettes, especially the Subculture palette, I actually do enjoy using that one, you know, surprisingly, and also the Prison palette as well. Definitely one of my favorites, you know, for going out and partying. But anyways, yeah, I suggest the Norvina palette, and I am in love with it. Alright, anyways, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and post more videos. Eventually I'm going to probably post Spanish dub videos. As some of you may not know, I am actually Honduran, but I was born here in California. My parents are from Honduras, and I know how to speak Spanish. But my Spanish is a little bit, kind of comes out in Spanglish sometimes. So sí, yo puedo hablar español y voy a hacer mis tutorías de maquillaje en español y espero que mi español sale bien eventualmente y que sea buena práctica. Anyways, if you guys didn't understand that, well, I guess go on Google Translate maybe. So anyways, until next time, this is Christy Casanova, and bye!